Hello everybody, Vlad here. Welcome to my Elevate review by Max Gerstenmaier, Bill Ang and Jay Gelbraith, and this is gonna go live on 31 May at 10 a.m. EST. So guys, right now I'm inside of members area of Elevate, and during this video I'm gonna give you a demo of exactly what it is, guys. And in the nutshell, what it's Elevate all about. It's basically a done for you blog website and a done for you blog article what can be monetized in multiple different ways. And this done for you blog website comes with a in-depth traffic training and affiliate marketing training. So guys, if this is something what you are interested in, stick with me because I'm gonna go into more details, and I also prepare some awesome bonuses for those who like to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this video. So if you click this link, this will gonna bring you on my bonus page, which looks like this, guys. But before to jump on my bonuses, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below in the comment section with all your questions, guys, and click the notification bell. So guys, right now let's jump on the my bonus page. So guys, if you click on one of these orange buttons, this is gonna bring you on the sales page, and here you can pick this up, guys. So here is my bonus page, and the bonus number 1 is access lockdown formula. The bonus number 2 is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. The bonus number 3 is 5 email marketing tips for high conversion. Here's awesome training about email marketing. This will be very useful, guys. Bonus number 4 is access Nova and all the upsells, guys. This is a huge bonus, but just keep an eye on this bonus because it will be just the first 12 hours only. And the bonus number 5 is all vendor bonuses. To access your bonuses, guys, you have to go on your Warrior Plus account, click on your Warrior Plus ID, purchase history, and we're gonna show you something like this: access affiliate bonuses, and you're gonna have access to all my bonuses, guys, even if you pick up the front end, which is just for $19. And of course we're gonna get all my bonuses which I just mentioned, and they are all of course free of charge, guys. You just have to pick up the front end and you're gonna have access to all the bonuses. So guys, if you click on one of these orange buttons, this will gonna bring you on the sales page. And now let's see what is on the sales page. So no more wasting precious time, we got it done for you. The world's first done for you automation app that creates 100% automated software to cash in on autopilot. Sounds very good. You have here done for you blog website with multiple monetization methods, a done for you article to monetize your website. No need to get on camera. Yeah, so this is especially for those who like to don't show their face. It's a perfect business for them. It's 100% free traffic training included, no tech skill or experience needed, no further investment required, 100% newbie friendly with detailed step-by-step training, and you have a 15-day money back guarantee. Here you can purchase the product, guys. Those are the people behind this product. Is Max, Bill, and Jay, and I want to show you the bonuses, guys, all the vendor bonuses. So the bonus number 1 is a booster bonus number 1, profit bonus vault. This profit bonus vault packs an insane amount of bonuses for you to drive traffic, generate leads, and make more sales on our affiliate marketer, incentivizing your leads to further boost conversion for your campaigns. Bonus number 2 is 15 free tools for massive Fiverr success. Bonus number 5 is inside secrets to affiliate marketing. The bonus number 4 is automations, and the bonus number 5 is affiliate marketing 101. So we're gonna get all the training, guys. Here we have some testimonials from Ross Perry, from Betty Pine, and Saurabh Gopal. Those are the top affiliates, guys. I know that because they are members of Ministry of Freedom. I promote their product, and I know the product from those people. From Betty Pine, which she had some couple of products with John Armstrong, Ross Perry as well, and Saurabh. They was launching awesome products, and if they was putting the testimonials for this product. That means this is really working. And Bill Young, one of my friends, is smashing everything. I know he's doing a great job. He was helping me a lot too when I begin my affiliate marketing journey. He's one of the moderator in MOF, and he has so much knowledge. This guy, I had a lot of luck with him. And yeah, guys. So right now let's jump on the prices and the upsells, guys. So if you go back on my bonus page, if you click down below in the description of this video, this will gonna bring you the bonus page again, and here we have the prices and upsells. So we have here the front end Elevate for $19. You're gonna have access at Elevate software and the training module. Tabs number one, it's backlink juice for higher ranking for $37, and you have here a downsell of 27. Get high quality backlinks to your website to help your content rank higher, plus additional backlink training. The upsell number two is done for your email sequence for $67, and you have a downsell of 47. Get 30 of our best converting swipes to put Elevate on autopilot. Those 30 swipes are exclusively custom made for Elevate, so you can bank in commissions literally hands-free. Upsell number three is done for your blog articles for $47, and you have a downsell of 37. It's done for your blog articles professionally written with all essential tools you need to bank on autopilot. Upsell number four, it's unlimited traffic for $97, and you have here a downsell of 67. You will get 4 additional secrets traffic sources that Max, Jake, and Bill use to collect daily leads and make commissions on autopilot. Upsell number 5 is reseller rights bundle for $197, and you have a downsell of 97. Get reseller rights to Elevate and all of Max, Jake, and Bill best-selling products in 2021 and enjoy commission across the entire sales funnel. Oh guys, this is an awesome upsell. You're gonna have access, you have reseller rights to all those products. You have to think about this awesome upsell. It's worth it, every penny. And the last upsell is upsell number 6 is a reseller rights bundle for $107, and you have a downsell of 97. You will get to pick the brains of 3 rising affiliate and learn everything you need to know to make money online and live the life of freedom, guys. Here we have also some benefits of this product. Here you have a demo video of Elevate, guys, and here are my bonuses. And once you click on one of these orange buttons, this will gonna bring you on the sales page, and here you can pick this up, guys. So right now let's jump on the actually product on the members area. Once you come here, once you purchase the product, here you have a welcome video from Max. Here you can subscribe to his channel, join the private Elevate Plus Fiverr Facebook group, and here he have his website where he's posting also a lot of content how to make money online, and he is especially in Fiverr content. He was launching Fiverr Rocket, who was as well very good. He was an awesome product, how to make backlinks, how to get backlinks from Fiverr. This was very awesome product, guys, and you're gonna have access to his Facebook group, and it's the Fiverr Rocket Facebook group as well. Here it's very awesome in the mindset, guys. Here is gonna tell you to have the right mindset, because in affiliate marketing or in make money online in this niche, if you don't have the right mindset, this can be, if you don't have the right mindset, you don't have success, guys. Once you have the right mindset in this business, there's no reason why you can't have success. The right mindset is consistency, and you have just to give 100%, because if you give just 20% in everything, of course you'll not have success, you're gonna give up. But once you have the right mindset, you'll not give up and you accomplish your dreams, right? So guys, here we have the software, the website's prices Fiverr, walk through done for your blog website, done for your website setup, domain plus hosting, download your done for you website. Here you're going to download a done for you website. Fiverr affiliate program, Fiverr plus affiliate marketing, tips on how to leverage the Fiverr affiliate program, what kind of content should you make, CPA links versus hybrid revenue shares links, sub affiliates. Here you have introduction on affiliate marketing, traffic from Facebook, overview of the Facebook traffic strategy, profile option optimizing, choose your offer, where to find traffic, overview for monetization process, monetization methods, understanding objections. And traffic number 2, it's YouTube, of course, applying for links 1 and 2, guaranteed link approval, YouTube traffic training, and here you have insight into CEO, and here you're gonna have all the vendor bonuses. You're gonna have access to all the vendor bonuses. So guys, this was my Elevate review. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, like as always, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. See you in the next one, guys. Ciao.